If you have to use a carousel on your site, what are the non-negotiable requirements for making it accessible? If you find yourself in a position where you must use a carousel, there are several key strategies to mitigate the accessibility challenges. 1. Provide an alternative path. Make the same information available elsewhere on the page. For example, use a dedicated heading with labeled links so users can find the content without interacting with the carousel widget at all. 2. Include a skip link. Provide a get-out-of-jail-free card that lets users bypass the carousel entirely and go directly to the rest of the page. 3. Label all controls clearly. Ensure it is obvious how to move forward and backward and how to pause or resume the content. 4. Disable auto-rotation. Carousels should be set to paused by default on page load. Giving the user control over when the content moves ensures a more stable environment for those who find motion disruptive. 5. Use meaningful alternative text. Ensure every image in the carousel has a descriptive text alternative. If the content is important enough to include in the carousel, you must ensure that the same information is conveyed to users who are navigating non-visual. Ultimately, accessibility is about ensuring all users have the same degree of access to your information, regardless of how they choose to interact with your site. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.